It's unboxing time. Poster number 3 for kids with presses on the windows. Across Fifth Avenue from our gallery, there's a rustic building, and in it was the Bad Bar. Well, it went broke, and I took the opportunity to clean the windows, hoping to put in colored posters of kids with presses in the windows. This is the third of 6 posters that neighbors right around a location on Fifth Avenue North in Seattle paid for. It used to be a bar, and now it's for rent, and we don't know what it's going to become. But while the windows are dark, I propose putting 6 posters like this in those dark windows. They're called Kids with Presses, and these are snapshots from my museum collection. I made mini Halfwood presses, that's what you see in all these pictures, and sold them between the years 2004 and 2017. 250 of them around the world. Well, some of the people that bought them sent me snapshots of their kids using the presses. I love these. Now, I know these people. These are the sons of one of the designers that bought the press early on, and his kids are shown using it. This woman and this little kid are all in Philadelphia, and Melissa started a kids printmaking workshop, and it was a big success until, of course, her kid grew up and went on to other things. But Melissa's an artist, a sculptor, printmaker, so she's doing great. Well, I wanted to give you a little background. Now, don't be confused that this building is going to become a place for kids to make presses. Oh, I'd love that, but no, that's not what it means. It just means we wanted to cover the windows, make a bright spot in the neighborhood right around where we live. I hope you enjoy it. It's called a pop-up poster display. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.